Have you ever been sitting at work and suddenly hear your fire alarm panel beeping and then find yourself wondering what that error code means? If so, you're not alone. In fact, people search for that exact answer online more than 2,000 times a month. That's where alarm monitoring with Cintas fire protection comes in. It helps put your mind at ease so you're never left guessing. But don't just take our word for it. Let's walk through two real-world scenarios. First, there's Jeff. Jeff operates a manufacturing facility. When he bought the building, he inherited a complex sprinkler and fire alarm system. Every so often, the alarm panel beeps lightly. He's not sure why it's beeping, but he did find a button that makes it stop. For now, that's good enough for Jeff. Now let's talk about Sally. Sally is the general manager of a supply warehouse. For her, keeping her property compliant isn't optional. It's essential, not just for her business, but for the safety of everyone who walks through her doors. She uses Cintas fire protection for alarm monitoring. After a long workday, both Sally and Jeff head home for the evening. But while they're sound asleep, the quiet inside their facilities is broken by the sharp beeping of their alarm panels. This signals an issue with their systems. At Jeff's facility, the alarm beeps through the night. Multiple error codes flash across the screen. Jeff does have an alarm monitoring provider, but he's never spoken with them, and no one seems to realize there's a problem. The beeping continues into the morning, and without anyone addressing it, his system slips out of compliance. Across town at 2 a.m., Sally's warehouse alarm panel begins beeping as well, displaying an error code on the screen. But this time, something different happens. Within minutes, Sally receives a call from Cintas Alarm Monitoring. A customer service representative leaves a voicemail explaining that her system is showing a low battery error and lets Sally know they'll follow up in the morning to resolve the issue. And just like that, two very different nights turned into two very different mornings. Jeff arrives at his facility to find the alarm panels still beeping and an unexpected visit from the fire marshal. His system is tagged for being out of compliance. Meanwhile, Sally gets a timely call from a Cintas fire protection representative as she walks into work. A service visit is scheduled, the battery is replaced promptly, and her facility stays compliant without disruption. That's the difference that alarm monitoring with Cintas fire protection can make for you. You get 24-hour coverage, not only for emergencies that require dispatching first responders, but also for around-the-clock monitoring of system errors and deficiencies that could put your business at risk. Contact Cintas Fire Protection today to learn more about alarm monitoring services for your business.